So, good morning class. I am Vivek Pal from class 11th PCM. So, today we will be study about projectile motion. You know very well what is projectile. So, first of all, what is the meaning of projectile? Projectile is a name to given any body that thrown vertically upward in space. This is projectile. In physics word projectile means object. Okay, and motion means change in position when force is applied on any object. You know what is motion? So what is a projectile motion? When an object thrown from a surface of earth with some velocity, means initial velocity, making an angle theta with along horizontal, then this motion of object is known as projectile motion. For example, an object thrown from origin, initial velocity u, making an angle theta along with horizontal, that is x axis, and vertical is y axis. So graph will be this type. So here theta will be two component. First, along vertical, that is u sin theta. Uy represent vertical. Horizontal, ux is equal to u cos theta. But u sin theta will be changed because projectile is two-dimensional motion, means object changes position vertical as well as horizontal, and due to acceleration, due to gravity influenced by it, that's why ui sin theta will be changed. But during motion u sin theta always constant, means unchanged during motion of path, and this path is known as trajectory path in common projectile path. So here first question is arise, what is the equation of projectile to find out velocity and final velocity, initial velocity, height and displacement, horizontal range, so and so on. Equation of projectile. First, how to calculate flight of time, means total time when an object thrown and hits the ground. Means total time. So formula of total time, t is equal to u g sin theta by 2g, sorry. This is a formula of calculate total time. Horizontal range. How to calculate horizontal range? So horizontal range will be r is equal to u cos theta into t. Our t is 2u sin theta by g. further. Now calculate u square r is equal to u square 2 sin theta cos theta upon g. And what is 2 sin theta and cos theta value? Sin 2 theta. Now put the value sin 2 theta, u square sin 2 theta by g. This is a range. But here condition, when two range will be equal, when theta is complementary angle. Means theta is equal 1 theta theta and 90 minus theta, then range will be equal. Now to find maximum height, so what is the formula of maximum height? Height is equal to u square sin square theta by 2g. When theta is equal to 90 degree, then h max is equal to u square by 2g, because sin 90 is equal to 1. That's why x maximum will be u square by 2g. This is a formula of h max, and r max is equal to u square by g when theta is equal to 45 degree. Thanks.